Hello, my name is Richard Burnsmith. I'm a System Design Engineer at Ampetronic Limited, and today I'll be showing the simple technique of using the crimp connectors to connect flat copper tape to feed cable wiring. Okay, to use the connection crimps, simply strip back the ends of the feed cable, leaving enough bare wire so that it can be clamped securely in the crimp. Insert the crimp into the tool, just gripping lightly. Push the wire into the back of the crimp and close the tool tightly to clamp the wire. To attach the copper tape, simply place in the flat end of the crimp. Fold the crimp over so that it holds the tape in position and squeeze together. This ensures that the crimp is fully located and gripping onto has pierced the insulation and is gripping the tape firmly. Thank you for watching. I hope this video has been instructional. For more information, please contact us via the website on www.ampetronic.co.